Hello, I'm Mrs. Lim, your math tutor. Have I ever told you that model drawing is one of the most important techniques you need to master? There are over 30 techniques I teach in my class, and this is one of them. Let's take a look at this question. Sam used 165 grams of sugar to bake a cake. He used 25 grams of cocoa powder more than the sugar. He used 2 times as much flour as cocoa powder. What was the mass of flour Sam used? Can you tell which model drawing should we use? Oh, by the way, this question involves 3 items: sugar, cocoa powder, and flour. The first sentence tells us that Sam used 165 grams of sugar to bake a cake. We draw a bar to represent this information and label it. Then, second sentence. He used 25 grams of cocoa powder more than the sugar. From this sentence, can you tell which item is being used more by Sam? Cocoa powder, correct? So we need to draw a longer bar for cocoa powder. And the difference is 25 grams. Then how about this part? Do we know the amount? You see, the unknown part is having the same length as sugar. Then it means both have the same amount. Next, he used 2 times as much flour as cocoa powder. The third item, which is flour, appears in this sentence, and this item is being compared with cocoa powder. If I draw a bar for flour like this, does this show the correct relationship between cocoa powder and flour? No, this shows both of them have an equal amount only. According to the question, Sam used 2 times as much flour as cocoa powder. So I need to draw one more bar for flour to show the correct relationship. Now, you see cocoa powder has 1 unit and flour has 2 units. What was the mass of flour Sam used? Can you tell me how to find this part? You should be able to tell that this part equals 165 plus 25, which is 190 in 1 unit. If you're still confused and not sure about this part, you can watch this video again. The answer to this question is Sam used 380 grams of flour. Alright, we're in part 2. If you are new here, part 2 is the hands-on session. This session tests you whether you fully understand the concept I taught in part 1. You are given 3 minutes to finish this question. Make sure you have pen and paper. If you are ready, 3, 2, 1, go!